Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S20 as a whole, as the full series. Now there's something that I haven't really talked about too much in my previous videos, and that has to do with the actual display of the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra that do come with a major change as opposed to their predecessors such as the S9, S8, all the way back to the S7. So let's dive in and talk about that change right now, and I want to get some opinions from you guys as to what you think about this new development on the display. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 series are going to be using what is known as a 2.5D glass. And the difference between this glass and all the glasses we have had on the previous versions of the Note smartphones, the S10s, the S9s, is going to be the fact that they're not going to be as curved as what we have been used to so far. Now, as you know, the curved screen has been a signature element of these S lineup and Note lineup flagship smartphones, but it's something that seems to be going away, at least for the S20. So as I said, we do have the 2.5D glass that is not going to be as curved, okay, as the older smartphones. In fact, it's going to be slightly contoured. It's going to be sitting atop the actual body, the glass, the display, and it's going to be slightly contoured, just like if you have a Pixel 4 in your hands, or if you have an iPhone 11 in your hands, you can take a look at that display. It is not completely flat, but slightly contoured around the edges. It sits atop the actual body. So just to be clear, this is not a completely flat display. A flat display is something known as the 2D glass, and that's a straight plane of glass. Then you have the curved displays, and you have two types. You have the 3D glass that we have on the S10, on the S9. You see a pronounced curve on the edges, and that is actually one of the design elements of these smartphones. But now we're moving to 2.5D glass. That's going to be much less curved, almost feeling like a flat screen, okay? So I just want to let you guys know that's coming. Some people do like curved displays on their smartphones, on their Samsung smartphones. I like them. I like the way they look. Some people have been telling me that they wish they had a flat screen, but now what we're getting is something in the middle, but more predisposed towards a flatter screen. So the curves that some people like may be gone. Now, the only thing that I'm hoping is I hope they don't kill the software feature known as the edge screen that is found on all these Samsung smartphones, such as the S lineup and the Note lineup. Those are some really nice utilities that that live on the edge of the screen, and you swipe in to bring all the functionalities into existence. If that doesn't go away, I'm not too concerned about losing the pronounced edges. But if the edge screen, the software is gone, I'm going to be a little bit mad, because that's a functionality I use all the time. Okay, so just something to be aware of. Want to give you guys a quick update. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you prefer straight, slightly curved, which is 2.5D, which is what we're getting, or do you prefer the super curves that we have on the Note 10, on the S10 right now? So drop those comments below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.